Short exercise 7-6, we're going to enter these transactions into the cash receipts journal. So the cash receipts journal is only used for transactions where we receive cash. So use the following cash receipts journal to record the transactions. If a box is not used, basically just leave it empty. Abbreviations used. DISC stands for discounts. Forfeit stands for forfeited. They're talking about sales discounts forfeited. REC is receivables. REV is revenue. ACCTS is accounts. And INV is inventory. So let's look to see what's going on in the first transaction. Again, I like to use this window to block off all the other rows so I don't get distracted and enter anything in the wrong row. So on July 5th, we sold merchandise inventory for cash. So let's enter the date. And then notice cash is being debited. That makes sense. Cash being debited means it's going up, which makes sense for a cash receipts journal. Remember, we're only using this journal when we receive cash. So how much is cash going up? $1,700. Now we need another $1,700 amount, this time for a credit. Well, according to this, we sold the merchandise. So sales revenue is also going to go up by $1,700. Now at this point, a lot of students say, well, our debits equal our credits, we must be finished, right? Well, no, we sold something, so we have to have cost of goods sold going up and inventory going down, which of course is this column for $1,400. Next transaction, July 12th, we collected interest revenue of $2,050. So cash is going up by $2,050. So we need to record interest revenue. So do we have a column for interest revenue? No, there is no column for interest revenue. So notice this cash is being debited, so we need a credit. Let me show that to you again. Cash is being debited. So we need a credit account. So let's go to this other accounts credited. Let's place the $2,050 there. Now we need a space to put the name of interest revenue. So we have to go all the way over here to account credited. And we put interest revenue in that box. And I forgot my date, July 12th. So double check. Do our debits, $2,050, equal our credits, $2,050? Yes. Next, July 18th. So what happened on July 18th? We received cash from Heidi Next, $1,200 on account. There was no discount. So why is Heidi paying us this? Well, here's the two key words, on account. So Heidi is paying us, or paying off her AR. So first of all, let's copy and paste this to cash. So $1,200 for cash. And then AR is going down. How do we know that? Because it says she's paying us on account, which means AR is going down. AR goes down with a credit. So let me plug $1,200 in there. And there was no discount. So a lot of students say, well, our debit is $1,200 and our credit is $1,200, so we must be done. Well, anytime AR is being affected, we have to tell readers of this journal who is the AR for. So we have to include here, over here in the account credited column, who is it? It's Heidi Next. So later when we go to post this to the AR subledger, we know it's for Heidi Next. And then lastly, July 29th, we received $5,300 from Mitch Dillon in full settlement of his AR, including sales discounts forfeited of $20. So notice it says we received $5,300. So cash is going up by $5,300. And it says in full settlement of his AR, including sales discounts forfeited of $20. So let's go to sales discounts forfeited, $20. And sales discounts forfeited, notice it's a credit, so it's going down. And that makes sense. Sales discounts forfeited, you increase it when customer does not pay in time to get the discount, and it represents discounts given up or forfeited by the customers. So that is a credit. So notice our debit over here is 5,300, and we have a credit of 20. So we need another credit of 5,280. And what account is that? AR. So Mitch Dillon's AR is going down by 5,280, and he gave up $20 of sales discounts. So our credits equal 5,300, our debits equal 5,300, and then we need to put over here in this account, because we have a number for AR, we have to have a name associated with it, and that's Mitch Dillon. Excellent. All right, so in the next problem, what we're going to do is we're going to take the same cash receipts journal, and we will post all this information to the ledger and then the AR subledger.